Good morning, students. Back with your GK class. Up till now, we finished the topic fitness and health. Now, let's start with the topic world around. So, among these topics, we will cover today three topics: skyscrapers, movable bridges, and national anthem. So, we will move to skyscrapers topic, that is page number 12. Now it is these are some of the identify these skyscrapers and fill the correct name. So skyscraper are the tallest building and they are all over the world. So you have to identify the skyscraper name and name it. It is also known as the Makkah Royal Clock Tower Hotel. The center tower of the complex stands 601 meter tall and has 120 floors. So that is Abraj Al Balt Tower. Second, it is a 118 story 484 meter commercial skyscraper completed in 2010 in West Kowloon, Hong Kong. So it is International Commerce Center. Third, its height is 492 meter with 101 floors and 3 floors underground, making it the 8th tallest building in the world. So that is Shanghai World Financial Center. Fourth one, it comprises of 101 floors and 5 basement levels. It is the tallest and largest green building in the world. So it is Taipei 101. Fifth one, at 828, the 100 plus story skyscraper has 160 habitable levels, the most of any building in the world. It has total built up area of 5.67 million square feet. So it is Burj Khalifa. Sixth one, its height is 1776 meter and has 104 floors. Its height is the year when the United States Declaration of the Independence was signed. So it is One World Trade Center. So then it is 442 building having 110 stories. The tower has a bundled tube-like structural designs which enables it to withstand strong winds. So that is uh, Willis bracket Sears Tower. Then the building is 632 meter high and has 128 storied with a total floor area of 4,90,300 square feet. So it is Shanghai Tower. Now is the multi MCQs quiz time. Choose the correct option. Where were the first skyscraper built? So it is Chicago. Which skyscraper has the highest restaurant? Burj Khalifa. Which one of these are the tallest twin towers in the world? It is Petronas Twin Towers. Who designed the first skyscraper? It is William Le Barno Jenny. Which is the city of skyscraper? So that is Hong Kong. Which is the tallest skyscraper in America? It is One World Trade Center. We who made building a skyscraper? What made buildings a skyscraper possible? It is all options. Modern plumbing, elevator and Bessemer process. Eighth one, what do you find to that is the tallest? It is Burj Khalifa. Ninth, whose birthday is skyscraper appreciation day? It is William Van Allen. Which is the most memorable skyscraper? It is Empire State Building. Now we will go to page number 14, that is movable bridges. So these are the bridges name with the figure with the given. Some of them are given here. Now is the identify this amazing movable bridges in the world. This bridge is built over the river Thames. It is Tower Bridge, London. It is in England. Second, the central span of the bridge splits into two wings to allow ships to pass up the Neva River. So it is in Russia, the Palace Bridge, St. Peter's. Then is an award-winning pedestrian tilt bridge spanning the River Tyne. So it is Gateshead Millennium Bridge, Newcastle. Then with a length of, it is in USA with a length of 500 feet and span of 250 feet. It is the heaviest vertical lift bridge. It is Portage Lake Lift Bridge. Then it is in Spain. Fifth, a transporter bridge that links towns of Portugalete and Las Arenas. It takes only 90 seconds from one side to another. It is Vizia Bridge, Burke. Sixth one, Netherlands. This is the fully automatic bascule bridge in which the section of the road is swing in the air to allow boats to pass. So it is Slofev, it is Skloikov Bridge in Levar. Then is seventh way. The span of the bridge is movable and is to cover the river Hull. It is scale line footbridge in Hull. Then is Wales. So this is a bridge is a bascule pedestrian and bicycle in Wales. It is Porterdrege Harbour. So these are some of the bridges given. So you have to these are the movable bridges. Now go to next page and next topic, that is national anthem. Let us learn about more national across the world. The national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. The national anthem of Belize is Land of the Free. La Marseillaise is the national anthem of France. John Bull, Thomas Ravenscroft, Henry Purcell and Henry Carey claimed to have written the national anthem of United Kingdom. The national anthem of La Marca Real has no words, that is Spain. Sixth, Lander Burchland am Sturm, the national anthem of Austria, is traditionally attributed to Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. Ananda Smarkan Koon wrote the national anthem of Sri Lanka. The national anthem of Bangladesh is Amar Shonar Bangla. The anthem of Pakistan was composed by renowned poet Abu al-Azhar Hafiz Jalandhari. The state anthem of Russian Federation was adopted in late 2000 by President Putin, Vladimir Putin. So this completes your GK class. Meet you next week.